Hi, my name is Kristen. I work here at Tufts Health Plan Medicare Preferred, and this is the Medicare Minute. To find out if a drug is covered, look up the name of the drug in the formulary. The formulary is a list of all the drugs we cover. The drugs are listed alphabetically and by medical condition, so they're easy to find. The formulary will tell you what tier the drug is on and if there are any special requirements. A tier is a category for drugs. Each covered drug is on a tier, and the tier number determines the general cost of the drug. Generally, drugs on tiers 1 and 2 are the least expensive, while drugs on tiers 3, 4, and 5 are more expensive. The listing for the drug in the formulary will also tell you if the drug has any special requirements. Special requirements mean you or your doctor may need to take extra steps in order for the drug to be covered. Some drugs have a special requirement that you try a different drug first, while some have a limit on the amount you can fill at one time. A drug may have a special requirement for safety, quality, or cost reasons, but not every drug has a special requirement. The easiest way to look up a drug is by using the online formulary on our website. If you have any questions, you can always give us a call. We hope you found this helpful. Thanks for watching this edition of the Medicare Minute.